guys, it's your girl Costa here. Welcome to my channel, Lady Gaston Plans. We're here on this channel. We do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. And if there's something that inspires you, I hope that you will stick around to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Hey you guys, alright, so I'm excited to share this video as well as share this information in regards to my Etsy shop. This is something new that is available right now on my Etsy shop. It is now a print and ship opportunity for you all to choose the type of planner inserts that you will like. Complete the transaction, and guess what? You will receive 2 months worth of inserts in your order. So I am here to show you the different layouts that we have available. Yes, there will be more that will come at a later date, but I'm pretty much starting off with the basic planner insert layouts. So if you would like to see what layouts I have available, come on back to this video. Okay, first we are going to start with what I am currently using in my A5 catch-all planner as well as my social media planner. So let's go on and open them both up. And in my A5, I have, it is the horizontal layout. Now, all of my planner inserts are undated and they have a neutral look to them. So this is the cover sheet. It says the month of, and it gives you a line where you could put a sticker, or you can put a doll, or you can write whatever you want to put right here. You can put it right here. And I left a lot of white space so you can create a decorative outlook on your cover sheet. And of course, there's my brand, Real Life Love and Me. That is my Etsy shop information and handle. So don't look under Lady Gaston Plans, look under Real Life Love and Me. When you open it up, it comes with a blank monthly layout for your monthly calendar. All of my monthly calendars as well as my weekly layouts start with Monday and end with Sunday. Now, this was the first one that I printed out, and I didn't like how the day headers ended up like that, so I kept this for myself, but of course they are centered for you all. So we have 4 weeks of blocks here where you can put in your dates. We have a note section here, and we also have a note section down at the bottom. Just in case you run out of room there, you can put your information right there. So this is the monthly calendar layout. And this is how it looks for the horizontal look. You have the basic horizontal layout. As I mentioned, all of my inserts days start with Monday and end with Sunday. And then you have a note section here. You will receive 5 full weeks of planner inserts because, you know, sometimes the month may end midweek and a new month may come in at the end of that week. So I just said, why not just give them 5 full weeks of layouts for a full monthly setup for your planner. So we have this. This is how the horizontal layout looks, and at the end you have a monthly review page. Here on this monthly review page, you can put the month of, what you achieved for the month, what worked for the month, what did not work for the month, you want to do more of, and then what you want to do less of. I think this is a great way to review our months and things that we achieve and did not achieve for that particular month. So that is how this looks in the A5. Now this is how it looks for the classic size. Oh, let me mention that the only 2 sizes that are available right now are A5 size and classic happy planner size. I'm working on the other sizes, so when those become available, I will definitely let you all know. So this is the classic size. This is what I did for the month of March. I started with creating a decorative spread for the month of March. Excuse me. And everything. I love how this looks because spring is in the month of March. So I wanted to do something bright and colorful. And then I started with a decorative spread using some stickers. And guess what? I wrote in it, but I did not write any more in it. So we're just going to flip past that. And this is how it completely looks. Make sure I'm in frame. There we go. This is how it completely looks on the classic happy planner size. So you still have that white space around the layout of the insert where you can put like a washi or some florals or things like that. I didn't want to bring it all the way to the edge. I want to give you some white space so you can decorate and create and everything. And this also starts with Monday and end with Sunday with your notes section here. It has my brand name there. And of course, it also has the monthly review page for you in this size as well. So that is the horizontal layout. Now we're going to go to our next layout. All right, so this is our next layout. It is called the vertical long layout. So I'll let you see how it looks on the inside. And again, all of the inserts come with a monthly calendar layout, a monthly review page, and 5 full weeks of your weekly layouts. So when you open it, of course, this is the monthly layout. And here is the vertical long layout. You have Monday through Friday, the long way vertically, and I split up Saturday and Sunday. I did this with a thick black border, but of course, you can create a decorative spread however you want to with this particular layout. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and as I mentioned, the monthly review page. This is the A5 size, and this is how it looks for the Happy Planner Classic size. All right, and for both layouts, excuse me, as you see, I left enough space at the top so you can put your date numbers up here. If you're like me, sometimes I'll put them up here or put them directly under the day header, so you have plenty of space there to put your dates on. All right, our next layout is a very familiar layout. It is the vertical layout. So let's flip through this. This is the A5 size. And we have our classic size. Is the vertical layout. This was actually one of my first layouts that I started using when I started with decorative planning. And the way I used to do it, I used to do the top box as morning. The top box as my morning schedule, the middle box as my afternoon, and the bottom box area as my evening section. And I kind of still use it like that. I haven't used vertical honestly in a long time. However, when I am creating decorative spreads for this particular layout, that is still my mindset of how to use this. But of course, you can use it whichever way you like. And our last layout, of course, is one of my favorites. It is the dashboard layout. Yes, that is one of my favorite layouts. So again, we have the monthly calendar. And then when you flip it open to the layout, we have the dashboard layout. Now, I did change it up just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. We still have our day headers on here. I didn't want to make them really big, just in case, like me, sometimes I will white them out and use day header stickers. And then I left plenty of room for you to put your stickers under, your date stickers under, or you could put them in the corner area. So this is the dashboard layout for the days of the week on this side. And here on this side, you just have some boxes that you could just do whatever you want to on here. I left the grid area down at the bottom, and I just have 4 open boxes here. So this is how the dashboard layout looks for A5. And this is how it will look for the classic size. Alright, you guys, that is all for this particular video. I just want to show you what the layouts are that are now available in my Etsy shop for the print and ship option. All of that information will be located down in the description of this video. We are starting off with 4 layouts. We have the horizontal layout, we have the vertical layout, we have the vertical long layout, and we have the dashboard layout. As I mentioned, right now the only 2 sizes we are doing is A5 and classic happy planner size. When new sizes become available, I will be sure to inform you all of that. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and liking this video, and leave me a comment down there in the comment section. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, as well as that little bell notification there, so you will be notified when there are new videos such as this one that have been uploaded and ready for you to check out. Alright, you guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.